Welcome. I am Dr. Neva with Neva Lines, and a few years ago, I went to an event. Was happily promoting my new book at the time. It's called Female's Guide to Understanding Leadership. Very proud that I was able to complete this book. It took some years, but I completed. And at this event, while promoting, I found individuals not so wanting to know about the book, but how I was able to write the book. And that came the big idea. Like, wait a minute, there's a genuine interest in people wanting to write their own book, but don't know where to start. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to start writing a book. But if you want to learn more, I would suggest you join our webinar. Upcoming webinars is on our website, so go on our website and check it out. Now, the first step that I will say to you when you're writing that book, what is your big idea? Why would someone even want to open the page of the book, right? So what is that killer topic that will grab their interest? Number 2, construct your outline, right? What is it going to be on chapter 1, chapter 2? Having a creative outline, it really works. Then, guys, set a schedule. I've seen so many people start and stop and start and stop, and they cannot finish the book. So create a timeline. Are you going to write this book in 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days? How many pages are you going to write, right? So you think about this. Try to ignore the procrastination and stay focused. That's always my key word, even a reminder to myself, stay focused. Then conduct your research, right? So you don't want to put information out there that people go, well, that's not true. Or if it is fiction, you want to make it sound as real as possible, right? So do your research. Yes, I'll also say get motivation also from other writers as well. So, book clubs actually helps as well. Let's keep going, right? So having an understanding into how your type of book, yes? And then last but not least, I'll definitely say to you, when you finish writing this book, beyond proofreading over and over and having an independent person review the book for their feedback, know how you're going to market and how is it going to be published. Yes, because you need to know how you are going to make money from the book, unless you're just donating your time and energy and giving away free books. So that's just a tidbit that I would say to you in writing a book. Again, if you want to learn more and get more insight, join our webinar and you'll see the information on our website over the next upcoming webinar. Again, I am Dr. Neva with Neva Lines. Until next time.